Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential tools every homeowner should have. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference. We're talking about those go-to items that no homeowner should be without. Over the years, I've tackled my fair share of projects, and let me tell you, having the right tools for the job makes all the difference. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right. We're going to walk through the must-have tools that will equip you to handle those everyday tasks and even some bigger projects around the house. So, if you're ready to empower yourself with the tools that will make you a home improvement hero, stick around. We're going to cover everything you need to know, from selecting the right types to understanding how to use them safely and effectively. Let's get started. First up, the hammer. You know, the tool that's practically synonymous with home improvement. Now, don't underestimate this simple tool. It's more than just a hunk of metal and wood. A good, solid hammer is essential for everything from hanging pictures to driving in nails for those weekend projects. And believe me, you'll be surprised how often you reach for it. When choosing a hammer, consider the weight and grip that feels comfortable in your hand. You don't want something too heavy or too light. And remember, safety first. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Now, let's talk about how to use this trusty tool effectively. Next, we're moving on to screwdrivers. Now, I'm not talking about just one screwdriver. I'm talking about a good set. You'll want both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers in a variety of sizes. Trust me, there's nothing more frustrating than being in the middle of a project and realizing you don't have the right screwdriver to finish the job. From tightening loose screws on cabinet doors to assembling furniture, a good set of screwdrivers is indispensable. And when it comes to choosing a set, look for ones with comfortable grips and durable tips. You don't want them stripping screws or wearing down after a few uses. Remember, a well-maintained screwdriver will last you for years and save you a lot of headaches down the road.
Know you've been a good friend.
Now, let's talk about the tape measure, a tool that's essential for any project involving measurements. And believe me, accurate measurements are crucial in home improvement. Whether you're hanging shelves, centering a picture frame, or tackling a bigger project like building a bookcase, a tape measure is your trusty sidekick. Now, when it comes to choosing a tape measure, consider the length and the locking mechanism. You want something that will extend far enough for your needs and lock securely in place to prevent those frustrating slip-ups. And remember, always double-check your measurements. As the old saying goes, measure twice, cut once. Moving on to another versatile tool, the adjustable wrench. This handy tool is perfect for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts of various sizes. Forget about having a whole set of wrenches taking up space in your toolbox. The adjustable wrench can handle a wide range of sizes, making it a must-have for any homeowner. Now, when using an adjustable wrench, make sure it's properly fitted around the nut or bolt. You don't want it slipping and potentially damaging the fastener, or, even worse, injuring yourself. And remember, always turn the wrench in the direction that tightens the fastener. Clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. Last but not least, we have the utility knife. Don't let its size fool you. This little tool packs a punch. A utility knife is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from opening boxes to cutting through materials like cardboard, plastic, and even drywall. When choosing a utility knife, look for one with a comfortable grip and a secure blade locking mechanism. And always, always, always retract the blade when you're finished using it. Safety first, folks. Now, let's talk about some of the ways you can use this versatile tool around the house. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a good starting point for building your own essential toolkit. Remember, having the right tools can empower you to tackle those home improvement projects with confidence. And as you become more comfortable, you can gradually expand your collection. But these basic tools will serve you well for countless tasks around the house. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. And until next time, happy DIYing!